Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank the Honourable Member for his question. Currently, the Ministry of Infrastructure oversees activities undertaken by architects and engineers. And their activities are governed by the Architect Act and Engineers Registration Act. Both of these legislations specify education experience requirements in order for one to become a registered professional architect, and similarly for the engineers. I've also had the opportunity of meeting the Building Designers Association. This is an association of people that are draftsmen who normally work under an architect. They have done some work on their own towards the development of a methodology where they might be formally registered. At the moment, these draftspeople, they are only registered by the association itself. So there's no legislative backing to what they're doing. So in the discussions that we have, because we are currently now working on the review of the Architects Bill and the Registrations Bill, that work is being undertaken in coordination with the Solicitor General. We've also discussed with the Building Designers Association. They'll be willing to work with them to have a look at how they can also be formally registered. And in doing that, the ministry staff are looking at possible policies to regulate them. And we're also looking at learning at what the other countries are doing to see how people that are draftsmen are regulated in their own countries. So that discussion is currently taking place, and we will see where it leads to in terms of the registration of people that currently operate as draftsmen or draftspeople. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.